Okay, as I told you that I shall be saying what are Hox genes, which is given as the genes responsible for cell differentiation in various parts of the body. I mean, we can't expect beta cells of pancreas in bone marrow, isn't it? So, we need a specific cell with a specific function for a given part of the body. We call this as differentiation. You already know this. So I am going to say a little more about Hox genes. Hox genes is a short form of homeogenes. Homeogenes. So to understand Hox genes, we should first know what are homeogenes. Okay? Homeogenes are nothing but the genes responsible, follow me carefully, for morphogenesis in embryo during development. So all of us know the process of development of embryo is called as embryogenesis. Now if I see embryogenesis in all vertebrates, I see most of the embryogenesis is same. Maybe the blastula stage, the morula stage, the formation of 3 germ layers, triploblastic, what I mean to say. Everything will be same. But after that, after the germ layers are formed, the morphogenesis of embryo is species specific, isn't it? Species specific. So when it comes to human embryo, the morphogenesis of tail is not there, but vertebrate embryo is same. You get my point? So what are homeogenes? The genes responsible for species specific morphogenesis in embryogenesis. If these genes are not functional, then the embryo may not be embryo of the same species. They are sensitive to mutation and we see developmental disorders at the level of embryogenesis if these genes go wrong. Okay, so they are responsible for the basic body formation. Basic body formation and orientation of the cells. So which cell should go where? Orientation of the cells in embryogenesis. The head-tail axis is because of homeogenes. Is because of homeogenes. Okay, so the embryogenesis of a species is again because of a group of genes called as homeogenes and particular head tail axis. So now the statement makes sense. Cell differentiation in various parts of the body, like for instance ectoderm. The ectoderm will develop into skin and nervous system in human species embryogenesis. Then the cells, because nervous tissue is a type of tissue itself, the neuroblast should form nervous tissue and the skin should develop from another variation of the same cell. That means the ectodermal cells are being differentiated into two groups of cells to develop into nervous system and to develop into skin. Now you understood. So with the genes which are responsible for this differentiation of cell for the development of structures from germ layers is homeogenes. We also refer it as homeobox. Simple.